Good morning. There's something magical in yoga called the abdominal breath, the yogic breath. And this breath is so important because this breath magically turns on our relaxed, chill nervous system. So we have those two parallel nervous systems in our body. We have the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. And sometimes we just get stuck in this nervous system, in the nervous system that makes us feel stressed and worried and tense all the time. And we just don't know how to switch it off and switch on the relaxed, chill nervous system. So guys, here's the answer, here's the magic. It is simply abdominal breath. So here's an amazing exercise to help kids breathe more to the abdomen, to teach them abdominal breath. It is called the sun breath, it is called the dragon breath, it's called fire breath, but I like calling it the booger's breath. Why? Because the best way to teach children how to breathe like this is to explain about boogers. Who loves booger? I love boogers. So imagine that you have this amazing, sticky, giant, fluorescent green booger stuck in your nose. And imagine that you try to push it out, not with your fingers picking it out, but just using your breath. So here with me, try to push this booger out. Try again. Push the booger out. Now can you notice what kind of breath you use when you try to push a booger out? Try again. Abdominal breath. Everyone uses abdominal breath when they try to push a booger out. So this booger's breath is the same, but we're going to have hundreds and millions of boogers inside our nose. So do it with me. Take a deep breath and let's start pushing those boogers out. Push the boogers out. Push the boogers out. Keep pushing the boogers out with me. Using abdominal breath. Maybe 10 more giant boogers. Guinness Book of Record, giant sticky fluorescent green boogers. 3 more. Now take a deep breath. Hold the breath inside for a moment. Let yourself become centered and quiet. Let everything stop. And when you're ready, slowly let the breath out. And enjoy this piece with me for another moment. I send you lots of love from Rainbow Yoga, and I hope you have a beautiful day.